to government class. In this lesson, we'll look at the definition and scope of government. Imagine waking up tomorrow and there is no government. No police, no schools, no laws, no traffic light. Just vibes and chaos. Would Nigeria survive 1 week? Today, we're breaking down government, what it really means, why it exists, and why JAMB loves asking tricky questions about it. What is government? Let's start simple. Government is the machinery through which a state organizes and controls its affairs. But let's simplify that. Government is the system or group of people that make rules, enforce rules, and interpret rules for a country. Say this with me. Government makes laws. Government enforces laws. Government interprets laws. That's the foundation. JAMB can define government in two major ways. As an institution, the machinery through which the state operates. As a process, the act of governing or administering public affairs. Government is not the same as the state. The state is permanent. Government changes. Nigeria remains Nigeria, but presidents change, governors change, lawmakers change. So if JAMB asks, which of the following is permanent? The answer is the state. Now let's talk about key characteristics of government. There are 4 major ones you must know. Authority. Government has the legal power to make decisions. Legitimacy. People accept its right to rule. Sovereignty. It has supreme power within its territory. Power of enforcement. It can punish lawbreakers. Interactive moment. If a group of students form a study group and make rules, are the government